Hello beautiful moving people, welcome back to a new video. Here we are in Andalusia. I feel so good for being here. It's a beautiful spot here and that's our theme for this video. I'm gonna be showing you a couple of spots that I tend to look for because they're pretty tranquil and you can relax and basically have a good time or wind down at least. So yeah, this is a spot. You can see a lot of ruins here. It was supposed to be, as far as I read, there was some silver mining activity here back in the time, I don't know when. So you have all these buildings here, up there. There are kind of furnaces or towers up there as well. And yeah, it's been left to itself and back to nature. It is also a Natura 2000 area here, and as you saw, every now and then there are good spots for people to park the vans or the buses. And I must say, big up, everybody's taking care. Nobody's leaving anything here. It's almost left better than it is. So I would love to go also down there and park. But this spot here, you see, this crack. That brought me to thinking, and then while spending now a couple of days there, I saw some buses tilt really nicely in a way, and yeah, I wouldn't do it with Helix because he's how do you say, schmal, narrow and high, and has due to this custom build, there is a lot of head weight to the head. So yeah, I left it. I found my spot up there. It's nice. Maybe at one point in time we can come here with maybe a smaller vehicle or a 4x4 vehicle, and we can enjoy the spots down there because there are many along the coast here. Yeah, pretty relaxing. You can listen to the waves, the sea. Every now and then there is a car passing by, but not that much. And at night, almost nothing, nada. Let's fly the drone a bit, and then we will drive on, get ourselves ready, and I'll show you the next spot. I spent some time last year. It's a random spot I found. It was good to work. Also relaxing, not a lot of people passing by, good internet. But yeah, it's the randomness of spots while driving with the van, or with the bus, or with the car, or with the donkey. And here we are. We're gonna get ourselves ready and then drive to the next spot. Show you that one. Try and get everything drive ready so it doesn't fall off. wasn't much. I guess we're ready. Get the last bit. Okay, let's fire this baby up, huh? Isn't this amazing movement getting picked up by the camera? I saw it the last video and I was like, or while doing the last video, and what the stabilization these machines have today, huh? Wow. Okay, just try to like switch off the stabilization to like show you how it looks like in reality, but I don't know how to do it. Anyways, maybe someone can help me. I use Filmic Pro. I just press the stabilization off, but anyways, let's move on, huh? Have to open the window because it's warm. Bye bye. See you next time. So, let me show you where I spent almost a week last time. A bit shoddy, I must say, at the moment. First opinion. So yeah, as you can see, we're here. You almost hear nothing. This is nice. I have done these kind of spots like over, yeah, all of my travels. For me are nice locations because it's like kind of derelict, urbanized, abandoned feeling, which I like. It's quiet and yeah, at this moment, let's say like this, and kind of near every other spot in town, so you have good internet, you can work, really nice. But as I come back to my first opinion of the spot here now, it has become the Müllhalde, how do you say, the trash spot of the city or something like that. It wasn't like this last year, maybe at the very beginning, but now you have like dead branches everywhere, Müllsäcke, how do you say, trash sacks all over the place. So yeah, it's unfortunately the people that make or break a place. But yeah, at the moment it's still good. I mean, look at this. Why would someone drop like, let's say, a handful of bricks and some building material? It's like 2 Eimer oder so. Naja, anyways. So yeah, this is it. Friends of the way. These are 2 spots that I usually visit. I mean, this kind of spot maybe not a necessary one, but hey, always good to be at and spend some time. Well, just some examples. Anyways, let me show it to you one more time over the air because today is like kind of, I'm trying get some more perspectives to this journey. But yeah, for sure, undeveloped urbanized areas, even though this stuff exists, kind of love. Thanks for sticking by till this moment. I will be signing off now. Let me know what your contrasts are. That were mine over the past year. I remembered because I was in the area. Hit the like and subscribe if you enjoy this content. And see you on the next one. Much love out there. Cheers!